Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to JASMY video update today. And a lot of people like to talk about JASMY. Does JASMY have a future? The project wise, today I'm actually thinking of let's actually read what JASMY is all about. So what I'm going to do is go to CoinMarketCap and let's actually search in JASMY right there in a technical analysis video. And this is where JASMY really is. Okay. Let's go to the coin market cap. Do they have JASMY on top 100 coin? JASMY is not even a top 100 coin, by the way. So that's something to ponder about. So JASMY coin, let's go. All right, so this is what it looks like fundamentally. Okay, so they're ranked at number 133. Not bad, pretty good score if you consider that we have like 22,000 cryptocurrencies out there. Okay, there are 22. Look at this. This is how much crypto you have currently. 22,011 project, and you have JASMY sitting at number 133. There is a reason for that. Okay, that's a pretty good ranking, honestly, if you talk about the global rankings, right? And this is where the website really is. And I don't know about the explorers and the white papers. Now let's look at the markets that they're listed on. Okay, how many markets have listed JASMY? We do have Coinbase, we do have Binance, we do have KuCoin. One of the highest, biggest, best exchanges, they all have JASMY. And look at how many exchanges are there, like nearly 72 different trading pairs for JASMY right now. Not really bad. Maybe there could be a future. Pretty solid in my opinion. What about the market cap? Some people like to say, hey, let's look at the market cap as well. So where do we go from here? Where's the bloody market cap, by the way? It's actually not here. Historical data. Come on, man. Where do you actually look at that market cap? Anyways, let's look at their website. I'm gonna get into that one very quickly. Now, I don't like how their website looks like. It doesn't look professional. It really does not look professional for a coin that you want to actually invest in. Look at this coin. If, for example, if I ever show you an ICP website, look at ICP website, okay? ICP, all right, I'm just gonna write in internet computer and boom. Internet computer. I'm just doing some little bit of comparisons here, and then we're going to get into the technicals as well. So look at ICP. This one, compare this and then compare this right over here. You have a very bad, ugly looking website. Like the developers are not serious about anything that they're doing. This is the kind of impression I'm getting. It doesn't look professional at all. And look at this website right over here. Look at that. Okay, it shows that these people are serious of what they're trying to do. They show the seriousness right over there. And if you look at their roadmap, if you look at the explore, like their Web3 ecosystem features, basics, Bitcoin integration, video, social media dApps, look at how many projects is going on the ICP. And then you have JASMY here. Look, just a very poor Google map right there. JASMY key persons, this one. Outline of the transition. I mean, what? What is this? What is this? A website just tells a lot. Tells a lot about the team, because people like to see if they have a chance of the project. Look at this website. I mean, a 10-year-old kid could actually build a better website than JASMY, to be honest with you. But the only thing that keeps JASMY alive is the community. So if you look at the community, you maybe on Twitter, how many followers do they have on Twitter? They have like 84.9 thousand followers. I'm not gonna say it's too much. I'm gonna say it's like very, very impressive. I mean, compared to even ICP has way better, like 600,000 followers right over there. So the community is even bigger than JASMY. So I don't know. It's all a part of, your luck, if you want to put it that way. And this has been in a downtrend, and the only thing that can actually push it all the way to the upside is a bull run, because it doesn't really matter how the coin really looks like. Bull run saves the day. Okay, bull run can help even the shittiest coin to move to the upside. It doesn't matter the project and how they look like. But when you're in a bear market, that's where the problem is, because in a bear market you can really keep just falling down and down and down until that bull run doesn't come and save you. But I cannot really say that it's ever gonna come back up to this high right there, if they're not going to improve themselves, if they're not going to have a serious team or serious development roadmaps, I don't see any particular hardworking team from Jasmy side. I honestly don't see that fundamentally, but technical wise and community wise, there's a little bit of chance, and then throw the bull run thing into Jasmy as well, and that could actually speak volume for itself. Now, speaking about the technicals as well, we do have Jasmy right over here, and we are looking to create that reversal wave. And yesterday I talked about the this bear flag, and so far again my prediction is tail pay. I mean, for the past 5 days it's just been a perfect prediction for Jasmy, and now we're looking for this drop down to nearly 2998, and that's your technical target. Now there could be a little bit of a chance to backtest this flag. That means pump a little bit back up to 3821 and then get rejected here and then move to the downside. And that's pretty much it for this update. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you want to learn more and how to access a coin for a future, for a long term, if you want to learn about the fundamentals as well, I do have this course. I just completed this for the 20 hours course now, and if you want to get it, check it out. Message me on Twitter to get a discount as well to pay with crypto, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.